What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jackson. Take a look at Cardano and XRP. We're sitting at 18 cents for ADA. Market cap 6.72 billion. 24-hour volume 559 million. So if we hop into the chart, so it looks like we're pushing up in the wave 4 to come down into our target zone. Now, you don't invalidate a wave 4 until you break into the wave 1, but this is the usual zone to break down from. So if we break above the 50%, potentially you could look at this as like a completed 5 waves, push up on a larger 2, come down 3, 4, 5. So if 18 cents breaks, that would give a higher probability that this was already a 5-wave move and you would push higher, but as of right now it looks like 3 waves. So if we get rejected from the zone, then we can start to come down in the wave 5. So look for a rejection from 18 cents. If we break that, we can either adjust the wave count or it can be just an overextended wave 4. Now if we look at the weekly chart, WXY pattern, looking to come down in between 5 cents and 12 cents to find a bottom in this bear market, and then continuation back to the upside. So we'll have to wait for that to play out. We are looking for a bottom towards October, November 2026. XRP $1.23, market cap 73 billion, 24-hour volume 1.47 billion. So if we pop into the chart on XRP, same thing. We're looking at a wave 4. Now we did break down from this descending triangle, so we may be coming back up to retest it at $1.26. If we break back into the triangle, then similar sort of thing. This could be already a completed 5-wave move, but as you can see, it looks perfect, like a 1, 2, 3, coming up in a 4, and then down in a 5. Same thing, the wave 4 has to break into the wave 1 to completely invalidate it. So let's see if we get rejected from the zone. If we do see a larger push to the upside, then obviously we'll adjust the wave count. Potentially the 5-wave move is finished. But I would look for rejection from this zone. Weekly chart, what we're looking for, WXY coming down in an ABC pattern. So within that wave C are 5 waves, wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, and then we're looking to complete that wave 5. I do think XRP will come down in between the 50 to 70 cent range to find a bottom in this bear market, and will be an incredible time to be getting in on XRP. I have started DCAing a little bit with XRP, but not too much. I'll wait for it to get under $1. If you want completely free access to my investing and trading group, take 30 seconds of your time. Sign up to Bitfinex, absolutely no strings attached, one of the top exchanges. Once you've signed up, send me an email. I'll send you the link. It includes my daily crypto analysis as well as my Forex analysis for gold and silver. But you also get BNB, ADA, XRP, SOL, ETH, BTC, yours free with a 30-second sign up to Bitfinex. No strings attached. All links down below. Smash up that like button, subscribe if you're new. See you in the next one. Much love. Take care.